Hi, I am Prashant. In this presentation, I will go through the project work that I have done for this Google Summer of Code 2023. Before that, I like to thank my mentors, Beagleboard community and Zephyr community for their support throughout this project. A brief introduction about me. I am Prashant S. Did my Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics Engineering branch from Banariaman Institute of Technology. These are my GitHub handle and blog links. And these are the topics that I will go through in detail in this presentation. So the objective of the project is to add Zephyr RTOS support to run on Cortex R5 processor cores loaded from A72 core running Linux through remote proc in Beaglebone A64 board. So Beaglebone A64 has J71E SoC, and also to add few peripheral support like interrupt controller, GPIO, DM timer and UART for J71E SoCs. In this project, I have added board which is Beaglebone A64, SoC support J71E SoC, device tree and interrupt controller which is Vim, and for SysTick I have added DM timer support and GPIO which is DaVinci GPIO support in Zephyr. The table shows the overall project status and pull request status. I started adding board, SoC and device tree support for Beaglebone A64. So once these were added, then the board is ready for the build in Zephyr. So I tested hello world support. And this PR depends on Vim interrupt controller and DM timer PRs. So recently I got few review comments. I will be addressing this. Then I started adding Vim interrupt controller support. The module is already implemented during the Google Summer of Code and the changes are approved. I'm waiting on reviewer's side. Then I added SysTick timer support using DM timer peripheral. Initially I added traditional SysTick timer support where every tick is announced to the kernel, and there is an alternative feature which is tickless_capable support where we'll be defining a function called sysclockset timeout function, which actually can actually announce every tick. So based on the argument which the function takes as number of ticks as an argument, so once the number of ticks gets elapsed, then the kernel will get announced. So this feature is on review. Then I added DaVinci GPIO controller support which is used in J71E SoC. The module is implemented and will be merged once J71E support is merged. The changes are already approved by the reviewers. So in this slide I have shown the hello world output which is from Cortex R5 processor code in J71E SoC. The output is from UART2. So UART0 is used by Linux and UART2 is used by J71E SoC. So in this slide I added my learnings that I have done in this Google Summer of Code. So this project has helped me understand the overview of K3 processor family. I also learned the basics of remote proc protocol which is used to flash image to a different processor. So the remote proc, so through remote proc protocol the image is loaded from Linux which is running on A72 core to Cortex R5 core where Zephyr is loaded through remote proc. This project also helped me to work on BeagleBone A64 board, where I implemented all the peripheral support. I once again like to thank my mentors, BeagleBoard community and Zephyr community for their support throughout this project. I also thank Google Summer of Code for this opportunity that they have given me. Thank you.